everybody! Welcome back to my channel, Cooking in Siargao. In this video, I am going to share how I make Pancit Canton noodles. And the ingredients we need in this recipe are chicken fillet or chicken breast, ground black pepper, chicken cubes, onions, garlic, spring onions, Chikoa, fresh shrimp, shrimp balls, carrots, paprika or Atsal, we call this Atsal in Philippines, cabbage, and I have a spinach, and of course our Pancit Canton noodles. And we need water, and I have Pancit Canton flavoring for more flavor of our Pancit Canton noodles, mga cooking ina, and we need some oil to fry and salt and soy sauce. So that's all our ingredient that we need in this recipe. So now mga cooking ina and everyone, join with me. Let's make Pancit Canton noodles. Now let's heat our wok or frying pan. So then we're going to add our cooking oil. We need to add cooking oil. Then we add our onions. Then we're going to add our garlic. We add. Then we're going to add our chicken. Then we add a little bit of salt first. Just a little bit, just to wake up the flavor of our chicken. Then we add our ground black pepper. At this point, mga pupila, we let it boil and cook our chicken for like 5 minutes. So we'll cover and we let it cook our chicken first for 5 minutes. Now mga cooking ina, after 5 minutes, we're going to check. So, wow. Then, we're going to add our fresh shrimp, mga cooking ina. We're going to add this. Then, we're going to add our Chikoa. Then, we're going to add our shrimp balls. Then, we're going to add our chicken cubes for more flavor. So, we're going to add our chicken cubes. If you have chicken stocks, that's very good to use in this recipe. But I don't have stocks here in my kitchen. It's not available. So, I'm using the chicken cubes. So, then we're going to add our premium light soy sauce, mga cooking ina. This is very good sauce. I recommend this. So, then we're going to mix. It smells good. Then we're going to add our Pancit Bihon flavoring from Mama Sita. We're going to add this, 1 sachet of this. I'm going to add. Then we're going to add our carrots. We add our carrots, then we mix. Mga cooking na. we're going to add 4 cups of water. Mga cooking ina, we add 4 cups of water. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are adding 4 cups of water, mga cooking ina. So we mix well. It's look beautiful. Our Pancit Canton recipe, mga cooking ina. Look. Now, mga cooking ina, we mix well in this. Mixing with love, mga cooking ina. At this point, mga cooking ina, we're going to add our Canton noodles. Our Pancit Canton noodles, mga cooking ina, we're going to add this. Then we're going to mix this, mga cooking ina, slowly because it's crunchy, our noodles. We just dip it our noodles to our sauce, mga cooking ina. We mix slowly our noodles, Canton noodles to our mixture, mga cooking ina. At this point, mga cooking ina, we let it steam our noodles together with our ingredient in our wok about 3 to 4 minutes, mga cooking ina. So we'll cover and we let it steam our noodles. And then after 3 to 4 minutes, we're going back and we're going to check our cooking, mga cooking ina. And now, mga cooking ina, after 4 minutes, we're going to check again. Look, mga cooking ina, our Pancit Canton, it's look like this. You see that? At this point, mga cooking ina, we're going to add our cabbage. We're going to add our cabbage. Wow, it's look beautiful, our Pancit Canton, mga cooking ina. Look at this one. It looks yummy. You see that, mga cooking ina? Oy, oy, oy. Then we're going to add our paprika or atsal, mga cooking ina. We just spread this. Oy, oy, oy. It smells good and it's pretty, and we're going to add our spinach, mga cooking ina. I like to add spinach in my Pancit Canton. Spinach is a lot of vitamins. It's very good to our health, mga cooking ina. So I add that one. So then we mix, mga cooking ina. Look, mga cooking ina, how beautiful our Pancit Canton noodles. You see that, mga cooking ina? Wow! Now, mga cooking ina, I am hungry because I like this very much. See? So now, mga cooking ina, our Pancit Canton recipe is on ready. So we're going to add half of our spring onions, and the rest we're going to garnish later. Mga cooking ina, it's super pretty. Look, it's colorful and it's yummy. And it is healthy. Diba, mga cooking ina? You see that? So now, mga cooking ina, our Pancit Canton recipe is ready for plating. So we're going to plate this, mga cooking ina. We do like this. You see that? Uy, 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 mga cooking ina, look at how pretty and appealing our Pancit Canton recipe, mga cooking ina. Look! It's very good smell, mga cooking ina. This is very good and super yummy. Promise, mga cooking ina, this is very good. So, then mga cooking ina, we're going to make it more pretty. Our Pancit Canton recipe with our garnish of spring onions. So, then, look. Oh, diba mga cooking na? Look at this one. It's pretty yummy and super delicious mga cooking ina. Now mga cooking ina, look! Our Pancit Canton recipe mga cooking ina. It smells good and very tasty mga cooking ina. This is very good mga cooking ina. And thank you very much everyone for joining me here in my kitchen making this Pancit Canton recipe mga cooking ina. Hope you will like it and hope you will try this recipe in your kitchen and in your family as well. And of course, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the bell button for your notification. Bye! God bless everyone!